Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we have some amazing inventions and ingenious tools that are on another level. Before we move on, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Clean Laser has made innovative and reliable laser technology for cleaning and processing industrial surfaces. The targeted material is heated by the laser beam, which makes the dirt evaporate or sublimate. You can control laser intensity by manipulating the laser flux, its wavelength, and its pulse length. This control enables excellent cleaning with extreme precision. Clean Laser is the best solution for rapid and deep rust removal, as removing only one thin layer of paint without damaging the base coat. MaxFire is an ideal product for all barbecue lovers who have to wait for the coals to glow. It can heat without the use of igniting blocks or fluid. Except for its igniting function, it is similar to a hairdryer as it has one integrated heating element and a built-in fan, which heats the charcoal quickly without annoying smoke. Ubolt Pro is the most versatile and most secure deadbolt ever created. With premium alloy construction and dual 128-bit AES dynamic key encryption, it is unbreakable both physically and digitally. Also, it provides 6 smart ways to unlock your door with or without your smartphone. You can use a fingerprint scanner or passcode or a mechanical key. Its innovative unlock features include mobile magic shake, proximity unlock, and smart app control. It records and sends notifications of each entrance. You can schedule a pass for anyone with any passcode. Ridgid has designed a midget cutter with the auto feed feature, available with a ratchet handle that helps to cut in tight, restricted spaces. Its design was robust and compact, which could also be detached from the wrench. This allows the fine indexing of the cutter to operate in tight spaces. The new ratchet handle allows for greater flexibility and mobility while maintaining the auto feed features of the 118 cutter model, designed to cut hard and soft copper, aluminum, and brass. Works Hydro Shot is the first of its kind, lightweight, and portable power cleaner that draws water from any fresh source. It delivers maximum efficiency at 450 psi, while minimizing water use at only 90 GPM. Say goodbye to all the ugly brick-shaped soaps that are slippery to hold, and buy this unique one. It is Tetra Soap, a 100% handmade soap by the cold process method. It's available in 2 simple formulas for all skin types. They have included natural ingredients in the soap with a pleasing unisex scent. You can order 1 pack at $200. Malco Stapler is designed for use within floor radiant heating installations. It works perfectly on any board with a smooth surface, like foam board or wood board. The stapler head holds the PEX in place, as the staples are fed to the plunger assembly via a non-stick polymer slide. Drain Cleaning is a rugged, compact machine suited for 8 to 2-inch drain lines and up to 200 feet long. It works with a sectional type of cable and different cutting tools. You just have to put the cable in the pipe with the right cutting tool. It also has a clutch handle, speed, and rotation control. In short, it's the best tool to carry away debris from a drainage pipe quickly and safely.